Buying a 320 TPI race tire is actually the biggest mistake you can make for everyday riding. Most riders think a higher TPI, or threads per inch, automatically means a better tire. While a higher number does mean a faster, more flexible casing, it also means much less rubber protecting you from flats. Here's the 2026 breakdown. Budget 60 TPI tires are stiff and highly durable, but very slow. 120 TPI is your mid-range sweet spot. Go to 170 to 330 TPI, and you get premium speed. But if you're not racing, high TPI just costs you uber money. Before looking at specific models, let's talk casing. Tubeless is now the undisputed performance standard. By eliminating inner tube friction, tubeless saves you 2 to 4 watts per tire. Tubulars still test 1 watt faster in the lab, but for mortals without a team car, they're dead tech. Looking at the 2026 bicycle rolling resistance data, the Vittoria Corsa Pro at 320 TPI is the fastest tire tested, hitting a CRR of 0.0026, but it wears out in 2,000 kilometers. Continental's GP 5000 ST-R remains the benchmark, slightly slower at 180 TPI, but far more durable. This is where buyers get tricked. Do not buy pure race tires for winter base miles. For training, I strongly recommend the Pirelli P0 Race TLR at $55 or the GP 5000 ST-R. They add puncture layers like Vectran, keeping you riding instead of fixing flats. What about the compound hitting the road? Modern silica blends like Continental's Black Chili use a dual compound approach. You get a harder center tread to maximize durability and straight line speed, paired with softer shoulder edges so you don't slide out in wet corners. For gravel, the 2026 trend is going wider, with 50 millimeters becoming standard as frames add clearance. But here's the reality. Tread pattern matters more than width. Center knobs dictate your straight line rolling resistance, while side knobs handle your cornering grip. For smooth fire roads, grab the Panaracer Gravel King SS. For mixed terrain, the specialized Pathfinder Pro at $60 is the gold standard, because that smooth center strip flies on tarmac. Match your tread to your actual terrain, not your fantasy terrain. Match your tread to your terrain, and go ride.